Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I got the commercial electric, I think I got this from Home Depot, that's their brand, 5 to 6 inch LED color changing recessed trim light. I don't know what that is, I didn't even know it was adjustable. I didn't even know this is adjustable, honestly, I didn't even know that. It says it's wet rated, which is good, it's dimmable, which I ain't using. IC rated, which friction blades are included. It should last 35 years under normal use. And that's it. So we're going to stick this on. You're going to see how bright it's going to get. It's supposed to give me 700 lumens, it says. And light appearance, it says 2700. And that's it. Color changing technology. So let's do an unboxing. Open this up. So, alright, let's just pull this thing out. Oh, I got a shade. Yeah, I got a shade. Okay, so it comes with these. Let's pull the rest out. Come on. Directions are on the bottom. And this is kind of what it looks like, and that's it. And something is stuck at the bottom of the box, giving me a issue. It's the insert. So I guess you just screw this right into your fixture. Very simple. And then this just goes right in. It looks very simple. And that's it. And I guess this grips in there. So we're going to install it and see what's up. I think this is set up for 6 inch. I don't know what size that is. We'll see when we open it. But that's what the back looks like. Oh, here's the color changing. So we have white light in here, so we're gonna go with white. Let's go with 4000. I don't like daylight, I'm not a daylight fan. So we got warm white, soft, neutral, bright, and daylight. So let's go with bright white, and then we're gonna do that. All right, so let me show you. So this is gonna go over the sink right here. So this is the area I am trying to make bright. Well, not bright, I'm just trying to put what was there so it's not, stupid. So anyway, this is what's going to be brighter so you guys can see the color difference when I turn on that, and that's what I'm changing out right there. So let's change this out together, and then we'll see if you notice the light difference of it shining over. All right, so let's see how simple this is. It looks really easy. Make sure all the power is off. Mine's on a switch, so it's very easy to take off. Here's a light bulb. And that's it. So let's take this out and hope for the best. Oh, we have to cut that so we don't rip. Ow, ow. We have to cut first so we don't, rip everything out. So this, I think, is just going to plug in like so. So, I guess. And then this should just go up easily into it. I'm going to stand on my counter. So this way I can... Ew. Ew! Man, they didn't clean nothing. Okay. And then this should go just like this. Done. That's it. I mean, there's a little bit of a seam. I thought it was going to seal better than that. Maybe that's what you pay for. So that's what's up, so we're going to turn it on and see what that light looks like. Let's see. There we go. So that's kind of what it looks like. That's what you can expect it to look like. I have to repaint that top. It looks like crap, so I'm going to do that later. But that's kind of what it looks like for brightness. Now let's pull this back. We're going to face this down so to be where you guys are going to be. And if you look at the pause or skip back the video, you can compare the brightness and see if it's worth it for you to pop one of these in like I did. All right, so that's about it for the Glen Velvet reviews of the commercial electric LED retrofit kit that I installed. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Bye-bye.